हेलो बच्चों, आज का पोएम है बर्ड्स इन द स्काई। बर्ड्स आर फ्लाइंग इन द स्काई, fluffing wings as they go by. Some are big and some are small. Some sing song and some just call. Some sing songs and some just call. Feathers bright and voices sweet, they chirp and tweet on teeny feet. Up they soar and deep so low, off to places we don't know. Off to places we don't know. Second poem है The Birds We See. Sparrow sings a teeny tune, wakes us early morning soon. Hops around on little feet, chirp so softly, oh so sweet. Parrot talks and loves to play, green and red in a cheerful way. Hello, hello, it loves to say, bright and noisy every day. Hello, hello, it loves to say, bright and noisy every day. Thank you.